These are technique tips for Germany question 3. In question 3, you'll understand that there are 6 marks available for your answer. You're given instructions to choose one of the 2 options, and you are to explain, in this case, how it helped the Nazis to consolidate their power. You can see that it's really important to give a couple of pieces of evidence about the event. In this case, you're describing when it happened and what happened, but you'll notice that this description is not the full answer. Instead, we are asked to explain how it helps the Nazis consolidate their power, and we have this introductory sentence to get us towards that explanation. Here we have lots of ways that this event, the Night of the Long Knives, helped the Nazis consolidate their power. We can see it removes opposition, and it makes any other opposition scared to speak out. We can see that the army respond, and they are grateful, which means they can help Hitler limit any other opposition. We see that they swear an oath, and that gives Hitler great control over the army itself. We see that the president reacts, and he brings in the Führer law, so that when he dies, Hitler gets the job of Chancellor and President, and that gives him more control and consolidates his power. It's explained that now he can legalise any action, which gives him an incredible amount of power. You will see how this answer is made up of a brief description of the event, but ultimately an explanation of how that event answers the question, in this case, how it helps Hitler consolidate his power, or give him control, or give him more power. And so these are important parts in getting 6 marks. Where it goes wrong for some answers is that there are errors in their facts. That, for example, if they were trying to explain how the Enabling Act helped the Nazis consolidate power, they may confuse the Enabling Act with the Law for the Protection of People and State, and so this is incorrect and cannot be rewarded. Perhaps your answer is limited in detail, that you don't have the finer facts that are required to get the top marks. Furthermore, and perhaps most commonly, is where people describe more than they explain. They tell all about the event, they give lots of information, but they do not go on to explain how that event helped the Nazis to consolidate their power. And you can see here that this is just description of the Enabling Act. There is no development of how it allowed Hitler to be more powerful. And these are indeed where most people go wrong.